In a group of 120 adults, 85 watch football, 78 play a sport, and 20 do neither. Find the probability that an adult chosen at random from those who watch football does not play a sport. So we can start with drawing a Venn diagram. So this circle here could represent those who watch football. So I will say watch football, that's WF, watching football, and 78 play a sport. So there is an overlap between those watching football and those who play a sport. So we're going to do it another circle, overlapping part, and they play a sport, so we will say play a sport. Okay, and 20 do neither, so they are outside this group, so this is neither, and they are all in the universal set of a group of adults, so they are all adults and there are 120 of them. So what do we write here? So the ones who do neither, that's very clear that 20 of them do neither, so the 20 goes there. The others are, there's an overlap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say X people watch football only. Y people is the overlap between watching football and those who play a sport, and playing sport only is Z. So once I do that, there are several things I can do with these X's and Y's and Z's, and that is I can say the total of the X plus Y plus Z would be 120 minus 20. So I can write X plus Y plus Z is 120 minus 20, and that is 100, because the 20 are completely out of the set of people who have anything to do with sport. They don't watch sport, and so they are excluded. So we don't have to consider them for our answer. So the next one we can do is 85 watch football. So we can say that X plus Y is 85. And then we can say play a sport is Y plus Z. Y plus Z play a sport, so that's 78. So once we do that, see, we can find out what Z is easily. So if I call this 1, this is 2, and this is my equation 3. So from 1 and 2, so 1 and 2, we can get Z equals 100 minus 85, and that is 15. So I can write Z is 15. So the people who play sport only, they don't watch football, is 15. So then once I get Z is 15, I get what Y is. So therefore Y would be 78 minus 15, and that is 63. So Y equals 63. So once I know Y and Z, or Y, I can get what X is, and therefore X would be 85 minus 63, and that equals 22. So X is 22. So I think we have all the values now to work out the answer. The probability that an adult chosen at random from those who watch football, so that is the 85 people who watch football, does not play a sport. So out of the watching football group, how many don't play a sport is 22 don't play a sport, and belong to the watch football group. So this is the watch football, the WF group. So therefore, probability would be that is 22 divided by 85, and that is the answer.